Good morning, sir. Our topic is interpreting and preparing visuals. I will discuss preparing and interpreting tables, graphs, and figures. The first one is graphs. Graphs, it is designed to give a picture of the number to make it more easier to understand. Tables. Tables, it is used to display facts and provides a way to look up to a specific number. For diagrams, it is a simple drawing which is consist of lines and used for example and also to explain something. Charts. Charts refers to many kinds of documents such as maps, grids of numbers, and it is also used to define a visual picture of a number. Visual images. Visual image is a mental image that is similar to a visual perception. For maps, it is a drawing. It is a drawing of a particular area such as a city, a country, or a continent. And now let's proceed to general steps in interpreting visuals. Step 1. Read the title and the subtitle. It is commonly placed, the title and the subtitle is commonly placed at the top or front page of the graphic visual. It also it can help you to have an idea about the visual. Step 2. Read the captions, keys, and labels. It is important of a graphic visual because captions, keys, and labels are the things you will interpret in a graphic visuals. Step 3. Determine the purpose of the material. Step 3 will show you why those materials are used to create a graphic visual, and every materials has its own purposes. Step 4. Identify the organization of information. Identify the source of information in each of the graphic visuals that you will complete, because later you may be mistaken for the graphic visual you will use for the information you have read. Now, step 5, analyze the relationship of details such as changes and threads. Analyze the changes and threads because it is the main purpose of a graphic visual, to differentiate the changes based on what people want to know. And step 3, make a conclusion about the data if necessary. After you study the whole graphic visual, you will now make a conclusion if needed, if necessary. And then after you make a conclusion, you will now proceed and finish. You will now proceed and finish the interpretation.